Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2020 Honda Accord Smart Key.
We need to prepare for K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key and a new smart key. First, plug in the OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose smart key generation. Find Honda Accord. Select Gen 10.4 button. The Honda smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Put into the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successful. Return to main menu. The second step is to select IMO and remote. Honda. From Vehicle. Asia. Accord. Select the menu from 2019 to 2022. Smart key. Push button. Select to add a smart key. About to start adding keys, click OK. Press the start button twice. See if you can turn on the ignition switch. The ignition switch is turned on. Click OK. Put a programmed smart key in the car. Take the other keys out of the car and click OK. Take out the other smart keys and click OK. Put the smart key to be programmed in the car. Click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Number of the programmed keys 2. Check that all keys are in normal use. Click OK. Programming complete. OK. Now let's try it. Can the key drive normally? New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. New key, lock car. Unlock. The original car key to lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2020 Honda Accord. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more sprite ahead.